Salutations, Stevenson Stars. I wanted to read one of my favorite books, Because I Had a Teacher. Because I had a teacher, I love to learn. I discovered that I can do much more than I thought I could. I realized that it's okay when some things are harder than others. I found that challenges can be fun. Because I had a teacher, I discovered that there are lots of ways of being smart. And I know that mistakes are just part of getting something right. That is so true. It's okay to make mistakes. It's how we learn. I realize that some of the hardest things for me to do make me feel the proudest. Because I had a teacher, I know how good it feels when someone is happy to see me. I know that I can always ask for help. I feel that I have a friend on my side. I see that some of the most important things are said without words. Because I had a teacher, I have whole new worlds to explore. I discovered that what I can't imagine, I can make real. And now I feel like I can do anything. Because I had you, I learned to believe in me. Boys and girls, y'all are stellar stars. No matter where you are, how far, how near or how far, you're always a stellar star. I love y'all. Take care. Stay safe.